here on the channel. Today we're going to be installing CSL style yellow DRLs on my 2017 Pre-LCI OG M2. These DRLs were sent over by our friends at the BMW House, which is a brand new company that they're aiming to launch sometime in February. And they decided to start getting their name out there, so they sent me over these that we'll be installing on the M2 today. They were aiming to make products for the F8X platform, G8X platform, and they're wanting to branch out, not just do DRLs but do other parts as well. So if you guys want to go and support them, please head over to their Instagram. I'll have it linked in the description, as well as be on the screen right here. And without further ado, let's get the hood open and let's get the installation started. Are the DRL modules we will be replacing. So they do send out a whole module set instead of just like the little board, so you don't have to pry off the board off the old one and put the old one back on. You can easily put this one in and then switch it out pretty simply. And we just need to unscrew this one, plug this one in, and screw this back on, and we should be done. So these are T20 bolts that we are going to be unscrewed. Alright, all the screws are off here. Make sure you don't lose these. Alright, there we go. We got the old one off. Now let's put the new one in. So alright, there we go. It is plugged in. Now let's just screw it back on. Got this side all screwed on. Now we just need to do this one right here, and then just do the other side, and we'll test them if they work. Off, and we'll just put the new one in. this side is all completed. So now I'll catch you guys when I finish that side over there. All right, here's the moment of truth. Do they actually work? Yo! Oh my God. Yo, that looks so sick. But now let's take this car outside and let's take a look at the DRLs in some sunlight. So I'm about to bless your ears. Here is a cold start. So that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, amber.f87. Make sure to follow the BMW House on Instagram. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.